Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade mint chocolate marshmallows. For the materials and ingredients, you'll need a baking sheet, parchment paper, cooking spray, agave, white sugar, salt, 2 packages of gelatin, green food coloring, mint extract, chocolate chips, cookie cutters, and a thermometer. First, spray the pan with cooking spray. Then cover it with parchment paper and spray again. After that, pour 1/3 cup of water into your mixing bowl and sprinkle the packs of gelatin in it. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and move over to the pan on the stove. Pour 1/3 cup of water, 1½ cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of agave, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt into the pan. Cover it and bring it to a boil, stirring occasionally in between. Once the temperature hits 238 degrees, pull it from the heat. Start up your mixer on low and slowly pour in the hot liquid from the pan. Gradually increase the mixer to high and let it go for about 12 minutes or until the mixture has quadrupled in size. Then add your food coloring and 1 to 2 teaspoons of the mint extract. Mix for another minute or so. Dump in about 1/3 cup of chocolate chips and hand mix them in. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking sheet and spread it evenly. Let it set overnight. The next day, take your cookie cutters and start cutting out the shapes. I decided to do both large and smaller marshmallows. You can spray the cookie cutters with cooking spray to make it a little easier. And that's it! These taste so delicious and I love them for hot chocolate on those still cold and snowy March days. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.